How will you to what is our first question? The question is that which one is both oilseed and pulse crop and sarson, sunflower, soybean or sesame? And the correct one is a soybean. Soybean is a both oilseed and pulse crop. Next one is a which one is not a rabi crop? Gram, lentil, moong or barley. And the correct one is a moong. Moong is not a rabi crop. Hidden variability from homozygotes is released by selfing, interbreeding, outcrossing, all of these. And the correct one is outcrossing. Hidden variability from homozygote is released due to outcrossing. At the completion of meiosis cell division, the daughter cell will have chromosomes as compared to its parents. Diploid, diploid, monoploid or haploid. That means haploid. After the completion of meiosis during cell division, the number of chromosomes in an individual will be haploid. The term evolution as descent with modification was defined by Darwin, Lamarck, Zimmerman, and Hoagie Tiberius. And the correct one is Zimmerman. Zimmerman, the term evolution as descent with modification was defined by Zimmerman. Potential variability from heterozygotes is released by selfing, inbreeding, both A and B are outcrossing. Variability from heterozygotes is released by A and B, selfing and interbreeding. If the individual or a crop is a heterozygote, then potential variability is released by selfing or inbreeding. Which is a correct statement? A seed-borne pathogen may or may not be seed transmitted. A seed-borne pathogen is always seed transmitted. A seed-borne pathogen is never seed transmitted, or A and B both. And the correct one is the second option. A seed-borne pathogen is always seed transmitted. Next is that the production of which oil seed crops in Pakistan is more among the following crops in Pakistan: groundnut, soybean, sunflower, or rapeseed. And the correct one is a rapeseed. Rapeseed is the crop which is the more among the following crops in their for their cultivation for the purpose of their oil seed. Which one of the following traits exhibits continuous variation? Polygenic traits, monogenic traits, polygenic traits, or none of these? And the correct one is the polygenic trait. Polygenic trait consists of a continuous variation. Change conveys the message of DNA to the cytoplasm for protein synthesis. Messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA, or tDNA. And the correct one is a messenger RNA. Messenger RNA conveys the message of DNA to the cytoplasm for the synthesis of protein. DNA and RNA are very much similar in their composition except adenine, cytosine, uracil, or guanine. And the correct one is a uracil. Ecuador is located in India, Syria, Mexico, or Philippines, and the correct one is Syria. Genetic engineering can be best described as application of molecular genetics in agriculture, application of principles of engineering in plants, genetics of nitrogen-fixing bacteria, or synthesis of genes in laboratory. And the correct one is D option, application of molecular genetics in the agriculture. Next question is that population genetics is based on Hardy-Weinberg law, principles of population control, polygenic inheritance, or analysis of variants. And the correct one is Hardy-Weinberg law. Chromatids exchange their chromosomes portion during the stage of diakinesis, diplotin, liptotin, or zygote, and the correct one is a diplotin. Chromosome portion exchange during the stage of diplotin during the process of meiosis. Explanation is that each one of the following traits show discontinuous variation: leucogenic, monogenic, quantitative, or all of these. And the correct one is a monogenic. Monogenic are that traits which show discontinuous variation. What means discontinuous variations are shown by monogenic. Clear-cut grouping in different classes are possible for monogenic characters, oligogenic characters, or quantitative characters, or all of these. And the correct one is all of these. Means clear-cut grouping is possible in monogenic, oligogenic, and quantitative. The best stage of mitosis when you can observe and count the number of chromosomes during cell division. Telophase, prophase, metaphase, all of these. And the correct one is a metaphase. During the stage of metaphase, we can observe a clear number of chromosomes. Next question is that the outermost covering of a true seed is called radicle, utilum, testa, raphe. And the correct one is a testa. Outermost covering of a true seed is called testa. RCBD refers to randomized complete block design, randomized complete block design, randomized complete based design, randomized central block design, or none of these. And the correct one is a randomized complete block design. Total number of amino acids are 35, 30, 25, or 20, and the correct one is a 20. The book on the origin of species was written by Wallace, Mendel, August Weismann, or Darwin. And the correct one is a Darwin. The phenomena by which two sex chromosomes go together in the same gamete is called duplication, non-disjunction, interface, or multiplication. And the correct one is a non-disjunction. Which of the following traits is more sensitive to the environmental stage? Quantitative, qualitative, polygenic, or both A and C? And the correct one is both A and C, quantitative and polygenic. Transgenic plants are known as subplants. Selection from traditional plants. Plant source developed through biotechnology. Superior plant traits developed through conventional breeding. None of these. And the correct one is a plant source developed through biotechnology. Plant breeders' rights are opening in Geneva, Moscow, Bonn, or all of these. And the correct one is a Bonn. Plant breeder rights are opening in Bonn. Certification is not required for nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, or certified seed. And the correct one is a breeder seed. Certification is not required for breeder seed. Clear-cut classification into different groups is not possible in case of oligogenic characters, polygenic characters, major gene characters, all of these. And the correct one is a polygenic characters. For polygenic characters, there is no possibility of classification in different groups of individuals. Genotype variation consists of additive variance, dominance variance, epistatic variance, or all of these. And the correct one is all of these. If a chromosome with genes in order A, B, C, D, E, F, G changed in A, B, F, and G, it is called translocation, invariant, mutation, or deficiency, and the correct one is a deficiency, or the option in the place of deficiency.